Hey guys, how about a Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 running stock Android? Well, this is not Xiaomi, this is another lookalike of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2, the near bezel-less screen. This is in fact the Ulefone Mix smartphone, comes from China, running stock Android. Rocks a design which is very similar to Xiaomi's Mi Mix 2, though this comes with a glass body. Very similar chin at the bottom holding the front camera, but the fingerprint sensor is also placed here. There's really nothing on top except a tiny earpiece on the left, the power key and volume rocker, SIM tray on the right, micro USB port and speaker at the bottom, and there's even a headset socket. Other specs of this phone include an octa-core MediaTek 6750T processor mated to 4 gigs of RAM, 64 GB storage with a 3300 mAh battery, dual cameras at the rear, 13+5, stock Android Nougat running on the Ulefone Mix smartphone. So that, guys, was a quick look at the Ulefone Mix, a phone that resembles Xiaomi's Mi Mix 2 smartphone very closely in terms of design. Looks quite nice.